Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I come to you live, and I'm going to cover a plugin that I've used for some years called Social uh, Auto Poster, and a link will be in the description below. Now, what I wanted to show you was that the power of this plugin is absolutely amazing. I've been using it for a couple of years on my blogs, and I will cover here an example of only one of them called Prince Health and Fitness blog. Now, what I'm showing you here, and you see on your screen, is a Pinterest account. And this might actually inspire you as to how in the world I got all these pins here. Photography, gardening, fitness, and health. Classical music. And followers and so forth. So the question is, how did I do that? Doing this manually would be quite an ordeal. It would actually take days. And this account is not very old at all. Probably no more than a year at most. And so, as you know, Pinterest is enormously popular, but it's enormously powerful too. So if you can get your blogs onto displaying on Pinterest, that's quite a quite a feat there, but also a move forward in being able to share your content and have interaction on it. Now you'll notice here that we have Prince Family, Prince of Nutrition, Prince Family 33. That is the domain. I mean, that is one of my blogs, and that's the one we'll be covering here. You see this pin here. This I'll go into also a automated software that allows me to pin other people's pins, and then putting it down to keywords, pinning a specific keyword. And here's Prince Family 33. Now this is for my blog, this is for my blog, and this is for my blog. All these are for my blog, and these are repins from similar niches as well. And when you repin someone else's content, it actually goes viral. So here I just dealt with actually 150 repins of my and he followed me, and I want to follow him back. So I mean, it's just absolutely amazing how many of the pins that they will repin from my blog, and it actually goes pretty viral. When you have this many pins, it actually now here she repinned it. Well, I'm not going to. She's relatively new apparently. Let me look at this one. So I'll go over here. Oh, this is very interesting. And you visit. Now this is what's so powerful about this is that these pins are exactly coordinated with your website. So even though the website is here, it's really a little issue because it's actually up here in this displayed in here. So this one is pinned from my blog. So this and here we have it right here. Here's the post right here. So every time that this posts or a post comes and is posted on my blog, one of your doing or one of your articles written for you, whatever, it will be automatically pinned here. This is only one of the social medias. So I will go to my to my blog at the my fitness and nutrition blog. And you'll see here it is. Like I say, this is only one of them, but this is the one we're covering. You can see how many articles I have in Prince bodybuilding, hair care, health and fitness, and I have some monetization going on as well here. So, and here we have all these constant tips of being able to use like peppermint oil, and here's the article I was just referring to earlier. So, and then we have this one. It was also pinned. So let's go back in the back office here. So here's the back office. It's called Next. The plugin I'm now using is Social Networks Auto Poster. You can go and Google it, or I'll have a link in the description. You will need to use the Pro version in order to post to more than one account, more than one aspect of your account, should I say. So I have a lot that's posted to Facebook here. You can post it to groups. Did you hear that? You can post your everything that you post on your blog you can automatically will be posted to whatever groups you're in, and or whatever pages you want. See, what that means is that here's one particular one here, and all you do is you get the Facebook groups URL right here. You make your own app. Don't worry, you go ahead and try to take that, but it won't work. You know, you create your own Facebook app, and you don't need to worry about it again for that particular blog. And my Facebook account needs to be reauthorized. So once you've set it up, basically, I could go over videos, you know, how to set up your app, put your URL up here. It's really simple, and then leave these things be. So then you go over here to authorize your account, which means it connects with your Facebook account, and you'll see this brief go through here, and then it goes up and successfully reauthorized. You can go here and you can check whatever you want of these sites here, and in order to post to them. In other words, the post that you make on your blog or a post will be automatically reflected to any of these networks you have here. Now here we go cover here what I was covering earlier. Now this is a Pinterest account, and this is the Pinterest account that I have. So you have your password and your and then once you're done, you can go and submit a post, a test post. So, oops, my bad. So, excuse me. So you could submit a post to your board here, and then you could see, okay, it's going to work. So then you make a post, you write it up or whatever, and then once you've posted it, it'll automatically post to your Pinterest account, being set up in this way. And you can even post to other people's Pinterest accounts. This is another profile I have, and so then it will automatically populate whatever post you have to that account. So you could have many Pinterest accounts or many Facebook accounts, and it just would be able to easily do so as long as you're logged into your Facebook account. When you click that authorize thing, you'll automatically know that that's what you want to do, is to authorize that particular account. So not only can you cover all the accounts you have, but you can also cover other accounts that you create. So for instance, let me show you the power of this thing. So I've just covered here Facebook and Pinterest account. What you can come in here and do, and I have it on other blogs, is what you do here is that you click on add new account, and when you can do the same thing I just demonstrated to any one of these social media connected. So basically, I'm covering why my sites have ranked, are ranking relatively high, without having to go and manually post to all these things. Now, there's plenty of software out there that will post and create content for you, or reflect content you've made, and then will go to your social medias. But what happens to that is that as soon as Facebook changes its algorithms or changes, that software is gone obsolete unless they have a program, or usually a fee or something, where they constantly keep it up to date to reflect the changes of the social media, specifically Facebook. This plugin of Social Netgear Auto Poster I've used for years, and no matter what Facebook does or doesn't do, it doesn't matter, because what it does is works on being able to post. So if you're not able to post to your account for, just put in your own thoughts or whatever, post, well then that's as ridiculous as this software is failing, because this is a plugin that will allow you to share your content. That's how the social media sees it, is you're just sharing it. You're sharing it, basically you're personally posting there. So it never goes wrong. There's no changes they do that can keep this from doing, reflecting the posts that you make on your blog. So here are some of the social communities. You have Blogger, you have Delicious, Facebook, you have FriendFeed, you have Google+, I'll show you that in a moment. Instapaper, I've also do this to LinkedIn on my other blog. Pinterest, of course, Plurk, Reddit, StumbleUpon, Tumblr, I do that as well. Twitter, you could do that as well. Or even YouTube or WordPress-based blog. So you have another blog and you want to reflect the posts you make on this blog and over there as well. So you don't have to worry about RSS feeds or anything else. This will do for you once you set it up. and every post you make on this blog is going to be reflected on your other blog, should you want it. So let me show you Google Plus. Now this is for my network blog that I have, and I could do this for any blog that I have. I don't mean to overwhelm you, but I have many blogs, many niche blogs. This one is marketing, specifically marketing tips and so forth. Now this is what is on my Pinterest account, excuse me, my Google Plus account. And this is what is posted every time that I make a post to my blog. It is automatically posted here. I'll show you, because down here you go here. Oh, it's my other blog. So and so in the back office of my marketing blog here, I have tons of groups and everything that I'm posting in. Every post that I make on this blog, we post in these groups. Like I say, it's totally customizable. You can check whatever. Right now, I don't have too many checked at this moment. And here is the Google Plus, and I also have it to my LinkedIn account. So let me show you my Google Plus, as I was showing you earlier. And as you can see, I have this many followers, 11,000 views, and like I say, this has not been more than a year or something, and I have like thousands and utterly thousands of posts on here doing this. So basically, what I'm encouraging you to do is to be able to take advantage of this plugin, because honestly, it does not is not affected by changes of social media. Basically, you're just sharing on your Facebook the different things. And here's my Twitter account that also reflects the posting I made on my various niche blogs. And this I connected my YouTube account, so that every video I make is automatically reflected and posted on my YouTube. So basically, all this plugin, it automates so much stuff, all because you post on your blog one post, or whatever post you make on a daily basis, it's automatically propagated to any of these networks that you want. As you can see here, the marketing blog that I have is also here. So it's all automatically broken down into the fewest things. A person clicks here, they go to that specific post on that specific blog, which is Prince of Power Global Marketing Blog. So this tips, marketing, and education, web spiders, particularly talking about that. So that's exactly, I just did it to you live and clicked right through it. So here's the website. Right here is the plugin called NextStrip Social Network Auto Poster. You can download it right here. It goes to Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Blogger, Tumblr, Delicious, Plurk, profile, on all your profile pages. And let me show you some of the screenshots right here. And it demonstrates it right here: Google+, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr. And it automatically sets it up, which is customizable, but by default it gives you the picture and the link, and everything is all right there. So that's what's absolutely amazing right here, because you don't have a link right here, and you go into no link's right in whichever is described in the article here. So if you guys want to do this, see, I mean, I already got one Pinterest, one repinning right there, and so people will start following you. You're going to have engagement. You're going to be able to do this, and it's all going to be on total autopilot. You can have niches like I have. You can scale it up or whatever you want to do. And so this is just one of the accounts that you can do. So I want to thank you very much for taking your time to view this. And this is the power of this relatively simple. And if you want to go to pro version, have it a small price. I believe $50, but it's the best $50 you could ever spend. And you could do this free. This is a free plugin, and to get the base version. And so thank you very much, and I'll put the link in the description below. Have a good one. Please like and subscribe and share if you find this of value.